Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to give a demonstration on how I disassemble and reassemble the scooter I used for transportation when there's a lot of walking involved. So let's get started and check all this out. And this is what the scooter looks like, broke down in its different parts so you can get it into a trunk in the back of the seat of your car. And here's the basket that you can put on the front of it. And here is the charging system to plug it in. Plug this battery in and charge it up. Here's the seat, here's the wheels, and here's the base. Now we're going to assemble this and show you how simple it is. It even has a light on it and a horn. This is the Go-Go Pride. Right here is the steering system. So let's get started and put this baby together, and let's go for a ride on this beautiful sunny day. First thing we're going to do is set the big base. This section right here, we're going to set it on the ground. And now we're going to put the front wheels on. Rear wheels, excuse me, rear wheels.
See the bars? Got two hooks out there hooked into it. Lock it in.
Lock it in. Lock in the steering wheel. Place the battery on. And next comes your seat. And it ain't a scooter unless it has a little basket for the front. And up here will tell you how much the battery is charged. This is your speed. And here's to turn it on and off, and here is your brake to turn. So that's what it looks like all assembled.
This right here. Let's see they got a basket.
And see, here's a hitch where you can put hook an umbrella. It's an extra accessory that you can buy, or a little basket thing. But it has lights, reflectors. So and there's the horn. So me and Miss Abby and my husband are going to go for a walk, and I'll go for a ride. I push the handle to make it go. I'm just going to go a slow speed. Now I'm going to give it a little bit more speed. And this thing just rides so smooth. And I can adjust the speed to go up or slow it down. So we're going to go for a walk. As you can see, this is telling me how much battery power that is in here. This is the Pride Go-Go scooter, and if you're ever in the Pigeon Forge area, there's a store here and you can rent them from. I'll leave a link in the description of the place where you can go and rent them, or you can purchase them. They're very easy to use. Let's get started disassembling. Now some people do have ramps they can have put on the back of their vehicle where they don't have to disassemble it. You just put it on there and haul it. But it is so easy to use and so comfortable and smooth riding. Here's the location in Pigeon Forge where you can rent them or purchase them. Well, I hope you like that demonstration of the Pride Go-Go scooter. So easy to use, so easy to assemble. Or you can just leave it assembled and place on a rack to transport on the back of your vehicle or in the back of your pickup truck, or just take it apart and assemble it and leave it in the back of your car. They're so easy to use, so easy to charge, and the charging life on them lasts a long time. So if you have some sort of a disability that makes it hard to get around and walk and go different places, these are the items, the scooters to look for. So I'll leave a link in the description of the Pride website where you can order yours today, or check your local area and see if they have them for rent if you just need one for a short time. I love mine. It's just very easy to use, very easy, and the battery life stays so long on these. So just remember, as always, that your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So let's get out and enjoy life and pay it forward and help somebody out today. Talk to you later.